students. Today we discuss about unemployment, causes of unemployment in India. Okay, actually there is so many causes for the unemployment in our India. Actually, under the British rule, we suffered very much economically, politically, and total structural point of view. Our economy completely in depressed situation. Actually, soon after getting the independence, our planners and leaders, so many reforms introduced throughout India through the plannings, even though the considerable change not came in our India. So in our India still also developing country. So many reasons have, and one of the main evil in our India is unemployment. Unemployment causes so many problems in the economy, economical problems, especially economical problems. So that's why what are the main causes for the unemployment in our India? Actually, what is the meaning of unemployment? Unemployment is one of the situation who are willing to work and able to work at prevailing wage rate, but they won't have find the suitable work for their skills is known as the unemployment. Actually, in our India, in different sectors, so many people have capability to do the work, and their at prevailing wage rate they have already favor to do the work, but there is no find any type of job opportunities. That's a type of situation is known as the unemployment. Actually, in our unemployment situation, so many causes. First of all is the jobless unemployment. Actually, jobless growth is a main important aspect. So growth means economic growth means to increase the total output during the period of time in a country is known as growth. Economic growth means to improve the total output of the country. So actually in our India, soon after getting the independence, the 3 decades of this planning period of time, actually growth increasing day to day, annually growth rate increasing day to day, but not considerable change. And this growth rate means GDP, gross domestic product, the production of our country. And so these GDP growth rate creating the jobless growth. Actually, in which nation economic they achieve the economic growth, so many employment opportunities created this by the economic growth. But in our India, soon after getting the independence also, this 3 decades of planning period of time also, we achieved some growth rate, and GDP growth rate continuously increasing in our India. Even though these growth rate creating jobless growth rating, so no considerable opportunities for the jobless people. So this is the jobless growth rate, and especially these in our India, employment annually increasing the 3.5%. And next one is the through the plannings, our growth rate increasing only 2%. Means annual employment opportunities annually increasing 2%, but jobless growth rate increasing 3.5% in our India. So ratio between this employment unemployment, there is a lot of difference. So annually additionally unemployed creating in our India. So this jobless growth also one of the main important in our India, creating the additional unemployment situation in our India. Actually, next one is the increasing in the labor force. when labor force increases basis on the rapid growth of population is main problem in our India before independence, after independence, and so many reforms introduced by the government, but in case of population growth rate we not declined. Okay, first of all, every year annually our population growth rate increasing 2.1%. 2.1% annually the population growth rate continuously increasing in our India, and additionally labor force increasing in our India 1.9%. The additional labor force increasing in our India according to 1960 estimations. Actually, main reason to create the unemployment situation, main reason is the high population growth rate. So many reasons have for this high population growth rate: literacy and unutilization of natural resource, man-made resource, etc. So many, and poverty and village atmosphere, and completely this agriculture, agro-based economy in our India. So many reasons have to increase the population, and so these additional labor force creating the additional unemployment in our India. Actually, between this 1980 and 1990, between this period, actually in our India additional more population increased, means we entered into the second stage, means death rate completely declined. So many reasons have the decline of death rate, medical facilities, and development, literacy rate, all development possible after 1980. So death rate completely declined, but birth rate has is increasing. So we entered in second stage between 1980 and 90. Between this period, additional population growth rate is highly recorded, so that's why unemployment also highly increased between this period. Annually 1.9% of the additional unemployment situation creating in our India, labor force increasing in our India. So this is the increasing in the labor force every year, and leads to the unemployment situation. And next one is the inappropriate technology. Inappropriate technology is the second reason. So inappropriate technology means technology is the main basis for the manufacturing activities, especially for development of secondary and tertiary sector, means industrial and service sector. So employment opportunities also highly basis, 80% of the employment opportunities also basis on the development of industrial and service sector. But in our India, inappropriate technology, we have abundant supply of the natural resource, have abundant supply of the labor also have in our India, but we won't have enough technology to optimum utilization of natural resource as well as the man-made resource. That is the one main reason. And this production activity always bases on two methods. The first one is the labor intensive method, second one is the capital intensive method. Actually, with the help of capital intensive method, if possible, we implemented the capital intensive method in different sectors, the production increases. When production increases, income level increases, their economic status increases, automatically eradicate the unemployment situation. But in our India, technology is not optimum, and we are not properly using the technology in different sectors. So output also very less, GDP also less. And agriculture sector, actually 70% of the people in our India based on agriculture and co-agriculture activities. Their productivity is from the agriculture productivity is very less, and in national income share of agriculture sector also very less. But dependency point of view, high portion of the population they are dependent on agriculture sector. So that's why we not using proper and modern methods in different sectors, so productivity is very less and opportunities also very less. With inappropriate technology, impossible to reach the full employment. So this inappropriate technology creating the additional unemployment situation in our India. And next one is the inappropriate educational system also. Educational system also very important to understand the modern technical methods. And any sector, agriculture development, industrial development and service sector development, always basis on the education. There is a lot of difference between the educated and uneducated people. Actually some opportunities have, but our educational system creating the third category peoples. The GDP growth rate increasing, but our educational system not creating the skilled persons, efficient persons to do the work in different fields. Just we are creating the unskilled and unappropriate skills persons our educational system. So Gunnar Myrdal says that our educational system actually creating the unskilled persons, incapable persons. So completely we have to change our educational system. So day to day society is changing, society is dynamic, ever changing and ever growing. We have to change. We have to change the all sectors systems. So it is impossible to create the additional employment opportunities if we not change our three major sectors. So modernization in agriculture, industrial, service sector is essential. Educational system development is essential. If we adopted the modern educational system, technical educational systems, technical modern software IT educational systems, if we implemented, they provide so skilled persons produces in our India. With skilled persons means efficient resource, man-made resource means with the help of human resource only possible to eradicate the unemployment situation in our India. And final one, the neoliberalized economic policy. Neoliberal economic policy means to improve our GDP growth rate. So after 1990, so the government of India remove all restrictions on the trade and business and on exports, imports. The total restrictions were removed in our India. So actually the government of India expect, if we implement the neoliberal economic policy in our India, Indian economy structure completely changes. But the opposite version given in our India, this LPG system, liberalization, privatization, globalization, to remove all restrictions on the private sectors and trade, exports, imports. So in global markets, so completely all restrictions removed by the government. Through this policy, the government expect to improve the additional employment opportunities. But when this system implemented in our India in some areas, the completely opposite version result given. Why? Because the capital intensive method implemented by the different sectors, when implemented in different sectors, there is no employment opportunities for the labor. So additional labor force additionally increased through this neoliberal economic policy. So actually in our India, these are the four main reasons for the unemployment. First one is the jobless growth, second one is the day-to-day increasing the labor force in economy, and third one is the inappropriate technological systems in our India. And next one is the inappropriate education, and final one is the neo-liberal economic policy. When implemented in our India, additional unemployment force increased in our India. These are the main factors for the unemployment situation. So students, thank you. In next class we discuss another topic.